Okay, so what's up, YouTube gang? It's your girl Auntie T, back with the smashing video. Well, forgive me for the rusting face. It's a rusting face, and please excuse the noise outside. The gardener is cutting the grass. So I just got back from the mall and I decided, like, why not do some DIYs instead of just chilling and putting my legs up in the air like so. So in this video I'm going to be doing the DIYs. I'm going to be doing a budget friendly, yeah. I'm not going to waste your time, so let's go and start this video. Let me show you around the room and then I'll show you the before and the after. Okay, so this is what the room looks like. I've got my little, those are all my hair products, and my mirrors there in my bed, my headboard. Yeah, I've got my baby's cot. I think I'm gonna DIY this and put some marble paper, so stay tuned. Then it's just that little section. My roof is wooden. I've got my picture from my wedding day, and then this is where the havoc is. You see, guys, like, I want to actually DIY this dressing table, so do stay tuned, guys. Do stay tuned. So what I'm going to first start off by doing is clearing the dressing table. Okay, guys, I've already did the side, because when I paint, I want to paint. I want to finish the painting. Let me do the table. Let me sand the top part down. I'll do the drawers tomorrow. Let me just finish with the top for now. Okay, so I've scrubbed down everywhere I wanted to scrub. I've removed the stuff that was in my mirror drawers. I'm going to remove these and paint these separately. Just sandpaper them down first and make them dry. Okay, so the same goes as what I did the first time, and just remove. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. Excuse the paintbrushes. Yeah.